Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing recipe of lady's finger potato curry, which is better known as bhindi aloo in north, pinda batatanu shak in Gujarati and vendaka urlakilanga curry in Malayalam. In all other languages, what it is known as, please let me know in the comment section. This is a very favorite curry of most of the people, but it is made with lots of oil and oil is not good for our health. In its extracted form or refined form, it causes lots of harm to our health. All the nuts, seeds and vegetables have some form of oil, but that time it is binded with the fibers, so it doesn't harm our health and we can have the oil in as its natural form as possible. So let's try to remove oil as much as possible from all our food items. And let's start the video with the recipe of this curry. You will need 500 gram of chopped lady's finger, 2 medium-sized diced onion, 2 medium-sized diced tomatoes, 4 medium-sized diced potatoes, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1/4 cup of water to cook the lady's finger and 2 cups of water to cook the potatoes. Now on a gas stove, put a steel cooker. Steel cooker is preferred by me rather than aluminium cooker because it is safe to use and hygienic. In this steel cooker I am putting 1/4 cup of water and then putting the lady's finger, also putting salt and then stirring it to mix well. I'll allow it to cook for 1 whistle. 1 whistle is enough, otherwise the lady's finger will become very squishy. In other gas burner I am putting a wok, and after it is heated suitably I have added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. As you can see, I have not added a single drop of oil and mustard seeds are popping up by themselves. Mustard seeds have oil inside them and that's why they pop up. I was also surprised first time when the mustard seeds popped up by themselves, so you can also try and enjoy the healthy recipe without any oil. Once the mustard seeds crackle, then it's the time to add the cumin seeds. Cumin seeds will also crackle. I have added asafoetida powder for flavor, and once these all things are done, you can add the onions. And now you can hear the sound of the first whistle. Now is the time to switch off the burner of the cooker. Like this you can release the pressure of the cooker, because if it stays for longer time then the lady's finger will become very squishy and that texture won't be very good to have. So that's all, and let's now check how our lady's finger are. Yes, the lady's finger is all done. Now in the same cooker we will add the potatoes and 2 cups of water, add salt and mix it well. We will allow this potatoes to cook for 4 whistles and that's all, they'll be all cooked. In the meantime, let's check on the onions. The onions are nicely done. They are looking translucent and fully caramelized. Now we'll add the tomatoes and let them also cook properly. We can also try to add the tomatoes at the end by blanching them to preserve their vitamin C. I have added turmeric and chili powder. These are the spices. And once the cooker for the potatoes is done, we will add the cooked lady's finger and the cooked potatoes to the gravy that we have prepared. It is such a simple curry, very easy to make, but it tastes so delicious. It is favorite for my family, and you can have it with chapati or rice, or you can have it as it is. It tastes really very delicious and it's very healthy. So please let me know how you like it. Please try this recipe. See you in the next video.